Hi Mundo, I'll try to solve that question for you, but what I need you to do, so I pull up the question from homework 1, homework 6-2, question 1, I guess. This is your question number. Right, so the picture is given and I pull out the formula that you need to use. So where did I get this formula? I put those formulas into our Google Doc that we have seen in class today. So I just take a screenshot from the PowerPoints. So these are coming from PowerPoints. Just know that, this portion. And you're going to choose the proper one. So because you are looking at greater than area, that's why I pick up this line. All right, so this is the picture. The area that I'm looking for is greater than. If it is greater than, and that's what I'm going to use. And how am I going to use it? So that will be, okay, 1 second. 1 minus norm.dist. Okay, b value will be 98 here. Mu is 100. Mean. Sigma is standard deviation. Instead of true, we can write 1. So I'm going to enter everything into my Excel. All right. So if I go ahead and open up an Excel file on my Excel screen, so I'm entering here. All right, so equal sign and then 1 minus norm.dist. So Excel already give us this option. Double click, then the value I need to enter there is 98. All right, and then comma, right, the mean, which is 100, comma, standard deviation is 15. All right, comma, and 1. 1 is for true. And then close the parentheses and hit enter. So I'm just stopping here. Make sure that you see what I'm entering Excel. It's 1 minus norm distribution. Okay. So what we're finding there, enter, is 0.553. All right. So what we have found here is a probability. This is important. We find the value of the area, which is greater than 98. And that probability should be 0.553. Okay, hope this helps. Bye.